Grabe si Gianni,
Grabe
no?
si Gianni talaga.
Alam mo, ang hindi ko in-expect actually, na pipiliin niya kami. Kasi, honestly, of course, four-chair turner siya. Pero, nung pinagmamasdan namin siya,
Parang ano siya eh, siya yung type na feeling namin mas pipiliin niya either yung tatlong coaches, si Zach, si Coach Bailey, or si Coach Julie. So,
actually for me, sobrang eerie nung ka-vibes niya si Coach Zach. Kasi,
actually,
pati yung may dimples, tapos
Yung
kulot,
curly hair.
yung curly hair. Kaya nga nung sinabi kanina ni Coach Zach na you remind me of myself when I was talagang sure na ako na kay Zach siya eh. Pero nagulat ako na kami yung pinili niya and sobrang grateful kami. Ikaw, kamusta feeling mo dun?
wala, parang syempre pressure din na kailangan mong galingan mag-mentor, di ba? Pero bigyan na lang natin yung best natin para actually, sobrang kasi lahat sila dapat pantay. Kumbaga para na tayong biglang may anak.
Oo nga eh.
Kailangan pantay-pantay yung kapapano
Yeah.
natin.
And
Pero
I
si
think
Gianni, grabe to.
I think si Gianni also chose a really good song. We love that song, Mapa by SB19. In fact, dating coach dito, pareho si Coach Tel tsaka si Coach Pablo. And that song really means a lot to us as well when we did it together nung pandemic. So, grabe. Maraming salamat, Gianni, for choosing us and we're honored to be your coaches.